Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about creating a healing environment around you. It's something that whenever I take on a new client, we talk about what sort of environment they're currently living in and just how possible it's going to be for them to make a complete recovery. How I try to gauge where somebody's mind is at, where their mindset is at. Do they really believe that they can heal? And we try to optimize the environment that they're living in order to create that belief that they can heal, that recovery mindset, that detox mindset. And that's what today's video is all about. So right now, I'm not even living in a solid structure. I'm living in a tent right now. And maybe it's not the most enviable living situation for any of you out there, but it does mean I'm living against the earth. I'm living on the ground, so I'm always grounded, and I've always got the fresh air because this thing isn't particularly sealed. So air is coming in all the time. It's very oxygenated, and it's just so much more conducive to better digestion, better mood, being in touch with my body, being in touch with the earth, being in touch with nature, which are all really important things to have on your healing journey. The other thing you want to do, some of you might work at a desk, and that is certainly not the most conducive for healing, but you can optimize it as best you can. You want to have things around you. When I worked at a desk and I was still trying to heal my skin, I had my water bottle always to hand so I could just keep sipping water all day. People say, how can you drink 2 to 3 liters of water? Well, if your bottle's always there, it becomes a habit. It's just back and forth. And I can't really sit down anywhere for too long if I'm going to do any work or on a car journey or something without having that bottle of water there, so I can just keep sipping, keep staying hydrated. It's such a simple thing. Always have a bottle of water on you. Just other things I've got around me as well, like just got things around me like I've got books that are conducive to the healing mindset, and got some grapes here. I can snack on those. I've got some dates. Got a couple of oranges here. Not sure what they're doing there, but I can snack on those if I want to. I've just got healing foods to hand, literally within arm's reach, so that my mindset, my actions, I just make it easy for myself. And for you, if you're starting on a detoxification pathway, you want to have an environment around you that is conducive to your healing mindset. You don't want to be in the finest mansion in town, but have people around you that don't even get what you're doing or are not supportive, or you're trying to eat a healing diet and there's people around you that are just arguing with you all the time. That's not a healthy mindset. It doesn't even matter if you're living in the tropics. You need to sort that out. And if you're living in a situation where you've got your dream job, or you might even have your dream partner, but you haven't got healthy food, fruit around you, good clean water, a nice place to sleep, if you haven't got those things, then you're not going to win. You're not going to make good progress with your healing. So the first thing you can do is make a mind map of your current living situation. If you don't know what a mind map is, it is like a spider diagram, something in the middle like my environment or my mind space. And then around that, put all the things around you. Just brainstorm, what do you see around? Put your relationships in there. Put any medications you're on, what your diet's like, what you do for exercise, what you do on the weekends. Put all those things in there and start to assess your environment. Start to assess for yourself whether you really believe that this is the environment you need in which to heal. And you want at least 80% of all of those things to be conducive to your healing, to be organic, to be alkaline. That's your first step. If you need help, get in touch. That's today's video. I'll leave you be. You're free to go, and stay tuned for Wednesday's video, which is going to be another Q&A. Get your questions in, DM me on Instagram, or drop me an email at info@exmahealing.org. We'll see you then.